QCY QS2 is a budget truly wireless earbud which sounds great for the price point with some decent amount of bass. I think this is the best truly wireless earbud from QCY if you are a bass lover like me. Of course, it's not like Beats or Sony level bass, but it does the job done. And with the time, you have to clean the contact points of these earbuds and in the case, otherwise it won't be charging properly. And when you are doing this, you might face many problems like this. The contact point goes in, and the result is you won't be able to charge this anymore. So it's kind of useless now, and I'm going to show you how to fix this. Take a sharp pin and you can pop open the earbud, but be very careful not to damage any internal components. After it is open, you can see the lithium-ion battery and some wires. Be very careful with these wires. So now you can press the contact points from inside using your finger, and you can clean the contact points again. If any of these wires damaged, you won't be able to make this work again. You need to ensure that you are not damaging any wires. And you can just fit in the earbud again. Let's see whether this is charging properly. Yes, it is charging. Thank you for watching, guys. Subscribe my channel and give us a thumbs up.